13 Best Legit Money-Making Apps You Must Install in 2020. There are many ways to make money online, but how do you feel if your smartphone pays you some extra cash? You could pay your bills, or at least buy a cup of coffee. I know you like spending a heck lot of time on social media. Though nothing wrong with it. But let's imagine, isn't it great if you can spend your time wisely to make some profit? Isn't it be great that an extra $50 minus $100 gets added to your account? I know it's not much. But, hey, it's free cash and who doesn't need it? If you're really interested to use your smartphone prudently, here's 13 legit money-making apps you can install right now. 13 apps to make money fast. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a reward program site paying its members for doing simple activities. These activities include watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, web searching, etc. For doing each activity, you'll receive Swagbucks coins (SB) that you can redeem for cash and gift cards when you hit the minimum amount. The minimum payout is around 700 SB for a $5 PayPal cash. However, it can change as per your country. Swagbucks is no doubt one of my favorite reward sites to earn PayPal cash and gift cards. Nielsen Computer Mobile Panel. If you would like to get paid for doing nothing, then the Nielsen Computer Mobile Panel is a great app to use. Though you won't make much, $50 a year, but still it's good considering you have to take zero effort, unlike other apps. All you need to do is install this app and keep it active on your smartphone to get paid. That's it. I know you might wonder, how can an app pay you for doing nothing? Actually, Nielsen wants to learn your internet habits, like which apps and websites are important to you. For this purpose, they are ready to reward you with gift cards and cash. To get started, you first need to register on their official website and then install their app. 3. Receiptable. If you like to turn your shopping receipts into cash and gift cards, then you should try Receiptable. It doesn't matter which receipt you have. Whether it's the restaurant, grocery store or local retailers, all are acceptable. You only have to install their app on your device and upload snaps of your receipts to get points. When you reach the minimum points required, you can redeem it for rewards. Also, if you connect your Gmail and Amazon account, it will automatically add points to your account whenever you do online shopping. 4. DoorDash. If you are free on weekends or any time, why don't you deliver food and get paid for it? All you have to do is join DoorDash, pick up food delivery from restaurants, and deliver it to the customer's home. You only need a vehicle, bike, scooter or car, driving license, insurance to get started. For this activity, you can make between $10 minus $25 an hour plus 100% customer tips. This is actually a great side hustle for students who want to earn money on weekends for their expenses. Though it's not the work you can do from the comfort of your home. Still, it's worth a shot. To get started, apply for a Dasher via their official website and they will do a quick background check before hiring you. Once you're in, install their app and start dashing. 5. Bookscouter. Bookscouter.com has an official app for both Android and iOS. This is a perfect app for students looking to earn some extra money. If you have big bundles of old books having no use, you can sell them at the best price using Bookscouter. Basically, it compares the real-time book prices at over 30 online booksellers and gives you the best option for your used books and textbooks. Then you can pack and ship the books for free, using the provided shipping label before getting paid via PayPal or check. 6. Rakuten, formerly Ebates. Rakuten is a cashback app that pays up to a 40% cashback for shopping at over 2,500 stores. According to Rakuten, more than 12 million members in the U.S. have earned over $1 billion in cash back at their favorite stores. From clothing to electronics, you will find stores for any items you want to buy. Now, you might wonder, how can they pay you money for free? Well, Rakuten has a tie-up with several stores, and these stores pay them a commission for sending customers. It then sends a few percentages of commission to you as cashback. Thus, it's a win-win situation for both of you. The benefit of using this app is that you can save a few bucks every time you shop through them, which is not the case in normal shopping. It may look like a small amount, but at the end of the year, you will get amazed seeing how much money you have saved. 7. VU app. VU is one of the legit money-making apps paying money for watching online videos. It may look similar to Instagram, but the only difference here is you get paid for watching videos. For watching a video, you get coins redeemable for cash and gift cards once it reaches the minimum payout. You can also earn coins for a like, comment, pick and share. Thus, there are several ways to earn them that contribute to hitting the payout amount. Another thing is, many similar apps have limited videos for viewing per day. But that's not the case with VU because you can find tons of videos uploaded daily. The only thing I dislike is the minimum payout of 15,000 coins, which is kinda big. It took me 1 month to reach the payout amount after watching tons of videos. Besides, it paid me for my hard work and I got credited with $15. 8. Points Prizes. Points Prizes is one of the old websites still active and paying its members for simple activities. The activities include taking surveys, downloading and installing apps, watching video ads, sign-ups. Each of them credits you with points that get added to your account. You can also earn a share of 10% of your referrals points if they sign up using your link. The best thing about Points Prizes is that they offer a lot of bonus codes that help you reach half of your minimum payout amount within 5 minutes. Go to the Use Coupons section under the menu tab and type these codes to get some bonus. A few codes may not work as it keeps on changing. CE50, Mighty Select 25, Quantec 3000, Golcom 294, Tweeter 562, FaceAppWatch 1920, FaceGroup 900, PointIndWire 50, Reddit Sub 335, Kinji 25, Points Prizes 25, Beer Money 3573, Fearless 50, Delta 100, Comet 50, Plasma 25, Ranker 25, Beer Money 3573, Points Prizes 25, Coupon 25. I will also let these codes in the description box. The minimum payout is 3,000 points that can get you PayPal money, Bitcoin, PSN code, Amazon gift card code and much more. 9. Slide to Joy. What if I say you can earn money just by unlocking your phone? Yes, it's possible with Slide to Joy. Slide to Joy is an app that pays money for displaying ads on your screen lock. You can either engage with those ads or you can ignore them as it doesn't affect your earning. Earlier, you could easily make $2 minus $5 per month, but nowadays, it could take multiple months to reach that figure. But the good news is, you can participate in other offers like taking surveys, playing games, taking quizzes, etc. to speed up your earning. Once you earn at least 2,040 carats points, you can redeem your $2. 10. FOAP. FOAP is a crowdsourcing platform where brands, marketing agencies find and buy images and videos from a huge collection. You can use FOAP to make money by uploading and selling quality photos and videos taken from your smartphone or camera. For this, create an account and upload photos videos with relevant tags so that the registry community can rate it. The higher the rating is, the higher the visibility. For each sale, you can make between $5 and $9. You can also take part in missions where brands make specific requests for images and you can provide them. This is a great way to increase your earning. FOAP has a good rating in app stores. So try it yourself if you love clicking pictures. 11. Viggle. Viggle app is powered by Perk, paying cash and gift cards for watching your favorite shows. The way how Viggle works is you have to open the app while watching any show on your TV. This app then listens to the audio to determine which channel and show you are watching to credit you with points. There are also some bonus shows giving you even more points. Besides, you can also interact with in-show games and engage with your friends to earn extra points. 12. AppTrailers. AppTrailers is a mobile advertising platform where anyone can earn money by watching app trailers. Usually, trailers are 30-60 seconds long, and some are even 4 minutes long. Each trailer pays 5-10 points, and you can even earn more by doing other activities like play daily quizzes, install apps and games trivia. 13. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects you with people who need help in cleaning, delivery, moving, furniture assembly, personal assistant, etc. When you join this app, you become a tasker and you're notified about available jobs in your neighborhood via the app. You can either accept or reject it according to your own convenience. If you accept, you need to schedule a date and time with the client to get the job done. Once your job is over, TaskRabbit takes 20% of the commission while pays the rest 80% to you. As a bonus, clients might even give you tips. Final thoughts. These are the 13 legit money-making apps you can use to make some extra cash. You can also try other legit side hustles and best work-at-home jobs to make a nice side income. So, let me know, have you tried any apps? How was your experience? Drop a comment.